So wagwan everyone. So today I take you all the way to Jamaica. So today let's prepare Jamaican party. Yeah. So this is the same, it's slightly different from our meat pie. Yeah. So with mine, I'm going to be using chicken. Yeah. You can use meat, you can use anything of your choice. Yeah. So here is me grinding my chicken breast. Yeah. So I had this spring onion in the fridge. So I just added it and then grind it here. As you can see, it has grinded beautifully here. So here I added a little oil into my pan and then transferred the grinded chicken into the pot here. So here I'm just going to stir it and then allow it cook or fry here. So at this point it has started cooking, so I'm going to be adding my spice, which is natural spice. So if you're doing all this processed spice, please stop. Do natural spice. Yeah, it's an advice here. So here I added salt, I added pepper. Yeah, we want a little bit of heat. Yeah, so if you don't want pepper, you can omit that part here. So after mixing everything together, I'm going to be adding um ginger powder and also paprika powder. I didn't have garlic in the house here, so guys, we are going to make use without the garlic here. It was still delicious here. So here, after adding everything, I'm going to stir and then add my vegetables. So I have tomatoes, I have green pepper, and also I have onions here. I didn't have carrots in the house. With this, you can also add potatoes here. So here, after, I'm going to stir everything together and then add a little bit of water here. Don't add too much water here. So once I'm done, I'm just going to cover it and allow it cook for like 2 minutes. Once I'm done cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. This is cornstarch that I mix with water here. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover it so that it will bring everything together here. So as you can see, it has cooked beautifully. So at this point, I'm going to transfer into a bowl that I can put in my fridge here. We are going to allow this cool down before we start filling it into our party, the same way we make our meat pie. If you have time, you can leave it on your countertop, but with me that I don't have time, I'm going to put it in my fridge here. So let's proceed to the dough. Yeah, so here, as you can see, I'm going to be sifting my dough. Yeah, so I use all my flour, sorry. So I use 5 cups here. If you want more, you can use depending on your family size here. So here I'm going to be sifting the flour. Yes, as you can see me doing, just measuring it with my hands here. So once I'm done, I'm going to sift it and then add the rest of the ingredients here. So with this, what makes, to me, the difference is the turmeric that we add here. So I'm going to be adding turmeric here. So if you don't know, turmeric has a lot of health benefits here. So if you are suffering, if you have any heart problem, if you are suffering from depression, anxiety, if you are suffering from cancer, arthritis, also if you are suffering, if you have inflammation, it also has antioxidants. Guys, it has a lot of health benefits. Turmeric that we don't use, we don't even cherish, yeah, or we don't, yeah. Turmeric has a lot. If you have pain, yeah, if you are suffering from high blood pressure, diabetes, it also boosts our immune system. So you see, so if you are not taking turmeric, please start making turmeric your friend. Yeah. Also, it has some health benefits, yeah, that helps with our skin. Yes, as you can see, and also if you have mood swing, you can also start taking turmeric here. So you see, turmeric has a lot of health benefits. So if you are not making good of turmeric, please make good use of turmeric here. So after adding the turmeric, I added baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt here because the butter that I'm using is unsalted here. So I need a little bit of salt here. So here, as you can see, I'm just mixing everything together. So at some point, I saw that the turmeric was not enough, so I added more because it has a lot of health benefits. So adding a lot will not cause anything here. So here, as you can see, the water that we are going to use to mix is cold water. So always use cold water here. So this is me adding, and don't add everything at once. Add it as you go. Yeah. So here, as you can see, you make it into the consistency that you want. Yeah, at this point, this is what I want, so I'm going to make it into a ball. Yeah, so let's roll it. So this is what you see. So guys, I don't know what happened at some point. I don't know what happened. My camera wasn't on, so I didn't get the part that I was rolling it. And this is the last. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. So guys, this is the only part we are going to be saying here. The only rolling or the filling that you're going to be seeing. I don't know what happened here. So here, as you can see, I made a lot of filling, and you can see I didn't use a lot here. So guys, as you can see, you just roll it the same way we do our meat pie. You just roll it and you fill it here. I don't know what happened. You can see this part is slow motion. I don't know what happened, guys. So it's the same way we make our meat pie. It's the same way here. So the only difference is the turmeric that we they add to make that beautiful yellow color. That's the only difference here. So you fill it the filling into the dough. Once you are done, you just press it here the same way we do our meat pie. There is no difference here. So sorry for that part that I didn't show you when I was rolling, guys. I don't know what happened here. That's I don't know. Yeah, so at this point, as you can see, this slow motion that I don't even understand. I don't understand. So I just use my finger to press it here. If you don't want to use your, you can use fork. But I think with party, they don't use fork, they use their finger. If you have tasted, or if you have bought party, you see that they don't use fork the same like we use fork to press our meat pie. They use their hands to press it here. So that's the same way I'm doing here, pressing it here. And yeah, at this point, the next thing you see that we are going to be um putting it in the in our oven. At this point, I have my oven that I've already preheated here. So at this point, yeah, the next one you'll see is me making the egg wash here. I think with party, they don't use egg wash, but with mine, I wanted egg wash here. I wanted to brush it with egg wash here. So if you don't want, you can omit it yet. So as you can see, just brushing the egg this is the egg yolk here. You need the egg yolk here. Don't use the white. You need the yolk here. And if you don't have egg yolk, you can use chocolate here. Chocolate also, or Milo also works here. So chicken patty is very delicious. It's Jamaican's own type of meat pie. Yeah. So guys, if you have not tasted it, taste it and you're going to love it. It's so delicious. Yeah, this one that I made was so delicious, guys. I ate two after baking it. Yeah, it was so delicious. Yeah. Guys, so try it and you're going to love it. Yes, so this is me using the fork to poke to make some holes here. So at this point, you are done baking. See how beautiful it's looking. So this is it. Yeah, so if you are seeing this video for the first time, please and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification bell, so anytime I upload any videos, you will be notified. So see how beautiful it's looking, the filling, everything. You could taste the turmeric, you could taste everything was on point. Yeah. So if you have watched this video to this part and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and become part of the family.